Welcome to edition 1 of Holtzy's Great Up North Boat Trip. We're at the Abrollus Islands on board the magnificent 66-foot Magellan. We're taking the boat up to Exmouth for the whale shark season, and normally I do it by car, but this year I get to do it by boat and actually check out a bit of the coast as we go along. Hopefully do a bit of fishing, hopefully get some waves, but just see a little bit about what this coast looks like from the other side for a change. So should be a really interesting trip. I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. You can check it out over the next few weeks. I'll put up a few more editions as we go along, and as we get reception from the internet, because that sort of thing doesn't happen that often out here. Okay, first thing on the list, we're going to go fishing. Now, the Abrollus is well known for its ball chin groper. The old ball chin groper. A bit like me, actually, although I'm not quite bald. Yeah, so we're going to go chasing ball chin groper with another local dude, Rob. He's going to take us out. They're bloody good eating too, so hopefully we can get a couple, and that'll be our lunch, maybe with a crayfish on the side, and then we'll be underway.
Rob's on. He's on. Okay. Oh, Baldy. Yeah. Mr. Ball Chin, how's the fucking teeth on it? Jesus Christ. He sends guts all into the camera bag. That is a fish. Rob's on again. Yoo-hoo! You can tell from the red dust in the sky. That is a black ass cod. And they are prime sucker. Alright, well you can't go to the Abrollus Islands without getting some crayfish, so we're going to go hunt underwater cockroaches with the skipper Bill. He's been crayfishing for 37 years, so we can't get a cray with him. We can't get a cray. You going to catch us a crayfish, Bill?
You can see it in his eyes. He don't care no what the money man got to say. He knows one day it's got to come down. He said one day it's got to come down. 3 long months of hot burning sun. Well, how much more can this land take? The old man, well, he tilts his hat in the breeze, 'cause he knows one day this season's got to break. Well, old man, you know it changes.
Here they come. Hello. Wow. Look at them all.
He said one day it's got to come down.
Still got a long way to go to get to Exmouth, and we're hoping in a few days' time we will be at a couple of the best left-hand surf breaks in the world. So we have a swell coming. Could be something to look forward to. So that's me signing off until next time. Hopefully with some thumping barrels and maybe even a big Mackie. Woohoo! Yee-hee! Just had a big hit on your one, Rob's got one, the old double hooker. He's a horse! Nice work, Bill! There he is!
Well, he threw down his hat. He said one day it's got to come down. He said one day it's got to come down.
That's a big fish!
He said one day it's got to come
There's a
down.
ripper!